Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to be doing another It's Fall Y'all swap reveal. This is going to be swap number 12, okay? This artist that I am going to be featuring today, her name is Miss Morton, and I have already cut open Miss Morton's package. And if I have any information on Miss Morton, I will leave everything down in the description box for you all to, just in case if you want her to duplicate something or make something for you. All right. So she has a note in here. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to read the note. The note says, "Hi, Joyce. This is my It's Fall Y'all swap. Hand knitted by me. She has one capelet, one hat, and one pair of fingerless gloves. Love, Cheryllynn." Okay, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. All right. This is, now, I really don't see the difference in knitting and crochet because it both looks the same to me, and I think it's because of the needles that you use. But this right here is gorgeous. So before I get started, Miss Morton, I want to say thank you so very much, Queen, for participating in this swap and allowing yourself to walk in your greatness, and for also being a blessing to one of the other queens here in this group, and for allowing yourself to share your gifts and talents with the universe, with the world. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this. So the very first thing that I see here is she has a hat, and I love the colors on here. This just screams fall all the way, okay? This is really cute, gorgeous, okay? So you get the hat, and you get a pair of fingerless gloves, which are these right here, and you put your hand in here like this. These are cute, okay? I'm trying them on for y'all. So this is how this would go. Your fingers would be out, but your hands would be right here, okay? So you get the hat, the gloves, and this is called a capelet. That's what this is. And this is gorgeous. And the thing that I really like about this is that these would make really awesome gifts for people who work in offices, because sometimes it gets really cold in there, and what you would do is you would put this on over your head and bring it down over your shoulders, so it would fit you just like this. This is too cute. Wow. Y'all have some talent. And when you're talented like this, people are supposed to see what you can do. They're supposed to see it, okay? Don't carry your gifts and talents with you to your grave. But this is it. This is the capelet, which is gorgeous. I love these colors. This is gorgeous. And the thing that I like about this, you can pretty much wear this with, this is something that you put over, not just at work, because I'm looking at this and I see so many ideas. This is something you can put on when you're going out to dinner, to the movies, anywhere. And this is gorgeous. So you get the cape lat, you get the gloves, and you also get the hat. Like, what more could you ask for? The whole set. So this is gorgeous. So Miss Morton, I want to say thank you so much, Queen. This is absolutely good. I can't get over all of this. Like, it's just awesome. So with that being said, thank you so much once again, Queen, for participating in this swap. And for those of you who are new to this platform, if this is your first time watching this video, please subscribe by hitting that all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, because I have more coming, you will definitely be notified. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.